Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D lamp table in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, UN enter. Length type decimal, precision 0. Insertion is scale set to millimeters. Okay. Now go view control. Select front. Go coordinates. Click here. Select view. Okay. Now go rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 25, enter. 455, enter. Click here. Okay. Move M, enter. Select object, move. Okay. Select rectangle, convert to arc, auto on, 65 millimeter, enter. Select, convert to arc, auto on, 65 millimeter, enter. Okay. Now go view control, select SW isometric, go extrude, select object, enter. Extrude height 50 millimeter, enter. Okay. View control, SC isometric, go coordinate, Z axis vector, auto off, click here, auto on, click here. Okay. Now go rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 20, enter. 50, enter. Click here. Okay. Move M, enter. Select object, enter. Base point, center point, click here. Auto off, type from, enter. Click base point, auto on, distance 25 millimeter, enter. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now go extrude, select object, enter. Extrude height 60, enter. Move M, enter. Select object 10 millimeter, enter. Okay. Copy CO, enter. Select object, enter. Base point, click here, exit, go solid editing, select extrude faces, select face, enter. Extrude height 40 millimeter, enter. Taper angle 0, enter. 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 Okay. Now go view control, select top, go coordinates and select world coordinate. Okay. Mirror MI, enter. Select object, mirror line, enter. Repeat mirror, select object, mirror line, enter. Okay. Now rotate arrow, enter. Select object, base point, rotate 90, enter. Go view control, select SC isometric, move M, enter. Select object, base point, click here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, now go union, select object, enter. Okay. Visual style control, realistic, view control, SC isometric, okay, go coordinates, click here, select face, accept, go distance, DI enter, distance 360, repeat distance 280, okay, line, L enter, create line, okay, now go rectangle, rec enter, first corner point, dimension, D enter, 460, enter, 380, enter, click here, okay, move, M enter, select object, base point, click here, okay, delete line, go extrude, select object, enter, extrude height 10 millimeter, enter, okay, now go solid, click here, chamfer edge, distance, select 2 millimeter, enter, 2 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter, okay, now go home, world coordinate, select, now go material browser, select wood, select beach, drag and drop, material library, click, select glass, clear glass, light, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, stone, select, fine polish white, select, drag and drop, okay, select beach, edit, tint, tick, color, click here, okay, okay, close, select glass, edit, clear glass, glossiness 100, direct 35, enter, okay, close, now go fine polished, edit, click here, sample size 350, enter, close, polished, okay, close, okay, select beach, drag and drop, select clear light, drag and drop, okay, let's see, go view control, select top, 2D wireframe, plane surface, view control, select SC isometric, visual style control, realistic, okay, now select fine polished, drag and drop. Okay, now go view control, select stable isometric, right click, perspective, now exit from material browser, coordinates, select world coordinate. Okay, now go visualize, render environment turn on, use custom background, tick background, click, type solid, select color, click. Okay, close. Now go render size, select full HD TV, now render. It is not good, close. Again go render environment, rotation 30, enter, close. Now go render, not good, close. Again go render environment, rotation 60, enter, close, save. Now go render again, it's okay. Okay, finish. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.